Recently I got a request about why this opportunity is not working in this workflow. When I visit the execution log, I see this action, this was skipped. Okay, let's check what happened. Click on view details. Here I see the internal action error notification. Here it suggested find opportunity action to get the opportunity. That means before use this action, you need to use this action or trigger. Okay, if you have this opportunity trigger, then it's okay, you don't need to find. If you don't have this trigger, then use this action. Okay, so we are getting the solution in this message. So if you get any skipped action, just go to the details and you can see what you need to do. Here add to workflow, there is a skipped result, and what is the reason? Conduct is already in the workflow, so it was skipped. This is very helpful to identify what happened on the workflow. Okay, let's go to builder. Now here you need to use the action find opportunity. It's okay to set the most recently created opportunity, and then here in the opportunity, this is a deprecated action. Better you need to use this the action update opportunity, this one. Here you need to find the pipeline main test or survey, whatever you want, and what is the opportunity name, whatever it is. It depends on what you want. Okay, that's it. And now if I run this will work. New lead and contact email, yeah, it will work. That's it. Thank you.